Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a reel for Instagram on the Mojo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the templates button down below, which is the first option. Go to the choose a design section, and then you should click on the reel button. Here you can select from a bunch of categories such as birthday, music, slideshow, real estate, and so on. So click on the relevant one that you want to use. And after that, you should tap on the screen to insert the picture that you want to use in your reel video. Tap on the done button, and here you can also customize the text that will appear on your reel video. You can select the color of the text, the font size, font style. You have a bunch of options, as you can see. Some of them are only available to premium users, and also the timing, alignment, and so on. Many options are available in terms of formatting. If you are done with editing your reel video, click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then you will be able to post your story. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.